This is top secret. Today I will show you 8 ways to drastically reduce aging. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any vital information. And also like, comment and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make more amazing videos like this. 1. Stay out of the sun. While it's true that the sun isn't the only factor in the overall appearance of your skin, it does play a huge role. In fact, damage from the sun's UV light, UVA, and UVB rays is responsible for about 90% of your skin's visible signs of aging. UV rays break down the elastin in your skin, causing a saggy and dull appearance, wrinkles, age spots, uneven skin tone, and more. Always wear a good quality sunscreen with an SPF rating of at least 30, and make sure that it's a broad-spectrum sunscreen, meaning it helps block both UVA and UVB rays. Keep in mind that the sun's rays are out whether it's sunny or not, so be sure that you wear sunscreen every day. And remember to reapply every few hours for maximum protection. Check out this Ulta-MD UV Clear SPF 46 Face Sunscreen, broad-spectrum sunscreen for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin, oil-free mineral-based sunscreen lotion with zinc oxide, 1.7-ounce pump. 2. Drink plenty of water. Another key to younger-looking skin is hydration. You should aim for 8 glasses of filtered water each day to keep your skin looking radiant and support optimal health. Dehydration can quickly cause your skin to look dry and dull, emphasizing wrinkles and aging. Drinking enough water each day replenishes your skin's tissue and cells, allowing for younger and healthier-looking skin. 3. Get some sleep. Another key to maintaining a youthful appearance is to simply get some rest. When you sleep, your body continuously releases hormones that promote cell turnover and renewal. Use this time to your advantage. This is when you should be using age-defying actives such as PCA skin retinol treatment for sensitive skin, anti-aging face serum to gently reduce redness and minimize fine lines and wrinkles, contains vitamin A and hydrating niacinamide, 1 ounce. And this Paula's Choice SKN Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Salicylic Acid Exfoliant Facial Exfoliant for blackheads, enlarged pores, wrinkles and fine lines, 4-ounce bottle. But keep in mind that these increase your sensitivity to sunlight, so be extra vigilant with the sunscreen. Get what works. To take it a step further, consider upgrading to a satin pillowcase. Over time, tossing and turning on a rougher fabric, such as cotton, can contribute to the breakdown of collagen in your skin, leading to wrinkles. 4. Rub it in. While water helps your skin stay hydrated from the inside out, you can also help it along by making sure you're using the right kind of moisturizer consistently. Hydrated skin not only looks better, it is also stronger and better able to fight off any irritants. Moisturizers consist of 2 components to help your skin feel soft and supple: humectants, which draw in water from the air to your skin, and emollients, which help strengthen your skin's lipid barrier and hold in moisture. Creams and moisturizers are not all created equal. It is important to use clinical-grade products with better absorption and penetration into the skin, also with higher active ingredients, for best results, and backed by clinical studies proven to treat and protect the skin. These results-driven clinical-grade skincare products are only sold at medical practices like us. See this Ulta-MD UV Restore SPF 40 Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer for Women, broad-spectrum physical sunscreen with zinc oxide, mineral face sunscreen, anti-aging moisturizer, improves skin smoothness, 2-ounce tube. 5. Eat a diet rich in plants and take supplements. The benefits of a diet heavy in fruits and vegetables are many. They provide key nutrients that help support healthy aging and keep your body young, both on the inside and out. Fruits, vegetables, and supplements also up your intake of phytonutrients, which help your body ward off the damaging effects of free radicals found in the environment. Aim to eat a healthy diet consisting of mostly fruits and vegetables, supplemented with whole grains and healthy, lean proteins. You can try out this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Powder with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, unflavored, 20 ounces, and/or the Native Path Collagen Peptides Protein Powder for skin, hair, nails, collagen powder for skin, 19.8 ounces. It works like magic. 6. Exercise regularly. Staying active is helpful in maintaining a healthy weight, but did you know that it has been proven to also help you look younger? Research has shown that vigorous exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, (HIIT), can slow your aging at a cellular level by nearly 10 years. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise also increases blood flow, moving oxygen and critical nutrients throughout your body, leading to a more youthful appearance. Further, regular exercise is critical to maintaining strength and muscle mass, which also boasts a ton of health benefits and can add years to your lifespan. 7. Establish a good routine. While there are steps that can be taken to help reverse damage to your skin, it is so much easier to help prevent the damage before it begins. Make a good skincare routine your daily habit. Aim to use a gentle cleanser and exfoliant, and make sure that you're using the proper treatments and serums for your skin type and needs. And be sure to use a daily moisturizer to increase your skin's elasticity and keep it hydrated. 8. Limit alcohol and caffeine. While we love a good martini or latte as much as the next person, and both alcohol and caffeine can have health benefits when consumed in moderation, too much can wreak havoc on your skin. Both can dehydrate your body and rob it of key nutrients. What's even worse is that some of these effects can be permanent. That's all for today on Top Secret. Check out the suggested products with the link below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. This will encourage us to make more educative videos. Thank you.